Hi, Jake Schwartz here. I'm sitting in my car waiting for court to start, so I'm going to make a quick video for you. This one is on the very common question, am I going to get suspended? It's probably the most common question I get in a first call after somebody's just been arrested for a DUI, perhaps second only to, am I going to jail? And I answer these questions the same way at the beginning. I say, let's not convict you yet. There's a lot that I want to see: the police report, your written account of what happened, all of the breath test results or the blood test result, and so forth. There are lots of ways to get a DUI case dismissed or reduced, and so we don't want to start talking what ifs in an extensive way until we actually have all of the information and have a sense of what we can do to help you. However, I also understand that people, especially right after an arrest, want to get a sense of sort of the worst case scenario so they can get their heads around whether or not this is something that they can deal with and how they're going to deal with a possible conviction in their lives. And so I do answer these questions. Let's answer this one. In order to answer the question, am I going to get suspended? Is my driver's license going to be suspended? I'm going to assume that you're an adult over 21, that the DUI arrest did not involve a collision with injuries, and that it's not a refusal case. In other words, you did give a chemical test after arrest, a breath test or a blood test consensually following the arrest, and that it's a first offense case, that you don't have any prior convictions or prior DMV suspensions. Assuming all of that, assuming a typical first offense case, in that situation, the worst case scenario would be 30 days off the road. And when I say off the road, I mean no restricted license, no hardship license, 30 days of no driving, followed by a 5-month restricted work license. The work license that you get following the 30 days off the road typically allows driving to, from, and in the course of employment, and to and from these DUI classes you would have to take. And you get that restricted license by signing up for those classes ahead of time, by getting an SR-22 on file. It's an insurance document. And then by going to the DMV on or after the 31st day to get the restricted license. A second offense case is similar in how you get the restricted license. You have to file the SR-22 insurance document prior to getting the restricted license, and you have to sign up for DUI classes. For a second offense case, you also have to install a breathalyzer in your car, and it's a 90-day wait, 90 days off the road, not 30, in order to get the restricted driver's license if this is a second offense case. With second offense cases, in addition, you cannot get the restricted driver's license if the new case is a violation of probation on a prior DUI. So that's a quick summary of how you get the restricted license and when, how much time off the road, and so forth. Every case is different. This video does not contain legal advice. It's just general information to make you start thinking about questions you'd like to ask me or other lawyers that you speak with. So I encourage you to actually get legal advice in your own unique case by talking to a lawyer. And I hope this information has been helpful to you and that you've enjoyed listening. Thank you very much.